Let's get a push. Okay, let's run it. I'm here with the boys.
Run it. Hey. Let
Yeah.
me see if you can run it. Run it.
All right, we're gonna start off with. We'll start off $2.50 real quick. We'll do that a few times before we bring it up to the $5. Let's see what this scumbag has for me. This dumbass gold tooth. All right, trains. Oh my God. Don't look at me like that, you prospecting so-and-so. Trains. Give me trains. Yeah, laugh at me.
Dynamite.
3 dynamites. Trains. Trains. Damn it. Dynamite. No. It's going fast. Halfway done.
Let's go.
Trains. Trains.
Yeah, let's push the button for you.
Yeah, you know what? Celebrity push.
I'm gonna push the button. Go ahead.
Push the button.
Consider it pushed.
You didn't push it. There you go. He pushed it. No. Mark, let's get a button push from you. Push. Oh, so close. Avery,
Do it.
let's get a push. Nothing.
Dang, I ain't shit.
Cote. No. Jordan. Did it? No.
Oh, I got the mic. Give me something.
She did get the mines. All right, we got some spins left. We got 4 spins left. Let's see what we can do on the last 2 spins.
Come on, train.
All right,
Come on, train.
last spin. Last spin. Oh, 2 more spins. Okay, got another spin.
Train.
Train. Ay, last spin magic. Magic. Ay. All right, that's a shit.